Alright folks, we're in the garage here. We're just going to clean up this bathtub fitting here. As you can see, it's pretty crusty. But go ahead, just use the Dremel on it. And hopefully this isn't too loud, but we'll clean it up before we put it back on there. I've got two little heads that I normally use, and they're both like a copper braided type drill fitting here for the Dremel. So, and it shouldn't damage the faucet at all. Just clean it up, get some of that corrosion out of there. So this first one here, we'll go ahead and get the inside, make it a little bit easier to get on and off. Got the safety glasses on because it does kick up quite a bit of dust. But all we're doing is cleaning up the hole here. We'll try to get this outside. Like I said, this faucet is relatively in good shape for being over 20 years old. Go ahead and switch over to this other one here. It's more of a flat type bit, and I'll get in there and kind of clean things up that we need to get cleaned up here. I mean, we're not Craigslist, I guess we are kind of Craigslist redo on it, but just something to clean it up a little bit, make it last a little bit longer. There you go. As you can see, it kind of cleared it up. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.